Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Telegram download speed. To increase the Telegram download speed, basically the very first thing you have to do, you have to check your internet speed. So just go to the Google browser and here just go to the home page, and on the search bar you have to just type speed test, and here try to run the speed test. And if you're getting above the 10 Mbps, then you know that your downloading speed is average, and if you just go below that, then your downloading speed is very slow. So it's the problem of your network. So make sure that the internet connection is proper, and after that you can just easily download the it will increase your Telegram download. So basically this is it. And the another thing, that make sure that you have to just turn on the flight mode, and after the turn off the flight mode, right? And after doing it, it will definitely fix your problem, right? So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.